Hi, Namaste. This is Rajshekar here. We are representing from Vora Packaging Private Limited. It's a Mumbai-based packaging company. We manufactures of all kinds of packing materials like for tamper-evident seal for the bottle containers. We make induction seals for all types of bottles, which provides tamper-evident seal and product safety and durability also. Sir, we have a quality we never compromise on that. We are the best quality providers and timely services is there. And after the sales, we are providing service also. Indian market is good, sir. As well as FMCG market is there, pharmaceutical companies and oil sector, edible oil, lubricant oil. We supply to all kinds of this kind of suppliers or companies are there. And main market is dairy sector. Dairy we supply these seals for ghee and flavored milk products. Expo is good, sir. It's good. And one thing is that they made like in holiday season they made public. Anyway, the public is very less, and we are expecting more.